In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shein order history using the best method available. So, if you're someone who perhaps wants to keep their shopping history a little more private or simply reduce the clutter of past orders, you're in the right place. Make sure you're on a desktop computer because these steps are specifically designed for desktop navigation. First, we're going to start by opening up your web browser and typing in the URL for Shein. That's Shein.com. Hit enter and this will bring you to the home page where you can see all their latest collections and deals. Now moving your eyes to the top right corner of the screen, you should notice the My Account section. Click there to reveal a drop-down menu and then select My Orders. This section will display all of your past transactions, whether they were completed successfully or canceled for some reason. Now, depending on which orders you want to remove, take a moment to look through your list. Identify the specific order that you aim to delete. This is a crucial step, so make sure you're choosing the right one. Once you've found the order in question, click on it. You'll notice an option labeled Delete Order on this page. By clicking on this button, you are starting the process of removing the order from your visible history. But hold on, there is one more important step before it vanishes for good. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you're sure about your decision. This is put in place to prevent accidentally erasing something you might still need for reference. Go ahead and click the Confirm button if you're certain this is what you want to do. Once confirmed, you'll notice the order disappears from your list, just like that. It's as simple as that. And you can now breathe easily, knowing your past transaction is no longer staring at you from that list every time you log in. Keep in mind that once you've completed these steps, there's no direct way to undo it, so be absolutely sure this is an order you want permanently removed. If you've got more orders to prune, just repeat these steps for each one. It's a straightforward process, and with practice, you'll be able to do it quickly and effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in today. Hopefully you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips on managing your online shopping activity. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.